everyone, this is your Mandarin Chinese teacher, Faith Lao Shi. By now, from the previous lessons, you already know that the word Lao Shi means teacher. Now, in our today's lesson, we are going to look at family. We have learned previously the pronunciations, various pronunciations. So we are going to look at my family, and this we call 我的家. 我的家. 我的 means my, and 家 means family. So we're going to start by looking at the various members of a family, and the first one is Baba. Now, as we said at the beginning when we were starting to learn Mandarin, is that we are going to be learning Chinese in characters, which is the handwriting, and the pronunciation, which we use in speaking. So I'm going to be giving you both the Hanzi, the character, and the pinyin, the pronunciation. So this is Baba, father. So some families have Baba, others don't, but at least we now know how to say father, Baba. Now, another family or other families have got Mama, Mama, and Mama is mother. Then after that, we have grandfather, and grandfather is Yeye, Yeye. Then we have, after Yeye, we have Nai Nai, Nai Nai is grandmother. Now other families have got elder brothers and younger brothers. Now an older brother is called Ge, Ge, and a younger one is Didi. Now again, Ge and Didi. Others have an older sister and a younger sister, and an older sister is Jie, and the younger one is Mei. Now I'm sure you have been able, you are able now to visualize those members in your family, and you can easily say I have Baba or Mama or Jie or Mei or Didi, etc. So it depends with who you have in your family. Now, to be able to talk about our family, we need to review numbers. We already learned this, but let us look again at Shuzi numbers, and we're going to look at number 1 to 10. And let's read together. We have E for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 10 numbers. Now we are going to practice them again using signs that Chinese people normally use. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now with these numbers, we are at least going to be able to say, I have 5 people in my family, or 6, and so on. Now let's look at a few sentence patterns to help us in this topic. Our first sentence pattern is 这是我的家人. Now 这是, 这 means this, 是 means is. So 这是, this is, 我的 is my, and 家人 are the people in the family. So 这是我的家人, this is my family. And we can go ahead now and start saying, oh, this is my father and this is my mother. So 这是我的爸爸, this is my father. 这是我的爸爸, this is my father. 这是我的妈妈, what does that mean? Yes, this is my mother. Now, to be able to say, or if somebody would ask you, how many people are there in your family? Now, the sentence pattern we use for that is 你家有几口人? Now, 你 means you, we've already learned that. 家 is family. 有 means to have or has. 几 is how many. 口 is a measure word, and we are going to look at that in another lesson. Ren are people. So we are basically asking, your family has how many people? 你家有几口人? How many people are in your family? And then to be able to answer that, you need to remember the numbers. So for example, my family has got 5 people. So I will say 我家 my family, you has 5 人 5 people. So my family has 5 people. 我家有5个人. Now let me ask you, how many people are in your family? 你家有几个人? So you say 我家有5个人 if your family is like mine. Then I would ask you, who are those people? 他们是谁? 他们 they 是 are 谁 who are they? Then you tell me 他们是 and then you give the members in the family. For example, my family would say 他们是我爸爸妈妈弟弟妹妹 and me 和我. So the word 和 means and 我 is me. So 他们是我爸爸妈妈妹妹弟弟和我. So we always end with ourselves. So wherever you are, can you try and ask the other person how many people are there in his family or in her family? So the question is 你家有几个人? And then you'd answer 我家有 put the number 个人. Now to help us also remember these family members, I have a song that we are going to sing together, and we are going to be saying how we love the members of our family. So we are going to say the word I many times. I means to love. So let's sing this song together. 这是我的家人，这是我的家人，我爱我的爸爸，我爱我的妈妈，我爱我的弟弟，我爱我的妹妹，我爱他们。I love them. 这是我的家人，这是我的家人，我爱我的爷爷，我爱我的奶奶，我爱他们。Wonderful! If you practice that song, you'll be able to remind yourself how to say, this is my family, I love my father, my mother, and so on. I love them all. Now, I want us to have a look at my album. I call it my album because it has the people in my family. In Chinese, we say 照相簿. So 这是我的照相簿. This is my album. And it has 我的照相簿有 it has 爸爸妈妈爷爷奶奶 it also has 姐姐哥哥 and 弟弟. So I want you to try and visualize your album at home and say how many people you have in your family as well as who they are. Now, wonderful. I believe now with that kind of review, you can now remember how to say the various members in your family. Now, that's all for today's lesson. See you next time. 再见. 再见.